an epidemic of elephantiasis. Yung sakit ng mga elepante, di ba mga elepante, kapal-kapal ng mga mukha? What we are seeing is an epidemic of people in high government office who possess the epidermis of pachyderms. Epidermis means skin, pachyderm means elephant, who possess the skins of elephants. Ganun kapal. Those guys are thick-skinned. It used to be said in ancient Rome that Caesar's wife must be above suspicion. Suspicion pa lang, galit na si Caesar sa iyo, baka papatay ka pa eh. Dahil sabi niya, Caesar's wife must be above suspicion. But today, the criminals in high public office consider themselves to be above suspicion, even when testimonial and documentary evidence is presented. And they have no defense but to cry that the charge is allegedly, quote, politically motivated, unquote. I have news for them. Anything that happens in politics is politically motivated. So it is no defense at all. Political